How to delete transaction history on RBC Bank app. Now, first things first is you won't be able to delete any transactions that you did from the application on RBC app. It's either if you would like to log in online using the rbcroyalbank.com's official site, you won't be able to delete it as well. So all of the transaction that you've done on this specific bank cannot be altered for security purposes. But what you can do is you can go ahead and filter out if you want to hide some of those transactions that you did on app. If you need further assistance or questioning about the options to what you can do using the RBC app is you can go ahead and coordinate with the customer service from RBC app. You can also communicate through the rbcroyalbank.com's customer service live, or you can also book an appointment or find a branch for you to be able to talk to a live representative. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to delete or hide transaction history using the RBC Bank app.